Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What I'm going to be doing for you today is I had a request to take my Cricut and get an image off of Pinterest that's like a girly image, but this is of like a Chanel perfume bottle, and put it on a craft canvas like I did the fashion illustrations that I have in my craft room. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I think this is going to be so cute. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and I'm going to go to the circle with the plus for a new project. And I will put the link in the description box to the free image that I found on Pinterest of the Chanel perfume bottle. It is really cute. I already have it uploaded to Design Space, and I have videos showing how to do that on my channel. Just go to my Cricut playlist and you can see if you don't already know. So I'm just going over here to the left hand side where it says images. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going up to the right corner where it says filter, and I'm going to click on uploaded, and this is what I have. Now I did go in and clean this up with the tool in Design Space that turns it into a PNG image, and I've shown how to do that on my channel as well. I'm going to click on that. That's going to put a box around it that's green. I'm going to the right bottom corner and click on Insert Images, and that is what it's going to be like. Let me increase the size. I think that is so pretty. Now you may want to go in and take the eraser and just clean some of this up when you bring it in as well. I don't think I'm going to fool with that. So okay, and my canvas, I got it from the Dollar Tree. I've had it quite a while. Is 8 wide. It's an 8 by 10. So I'm going to go up here, backspace to get rid of the width that it came in as. So it's too big for a cut then print. If I was just going to do, one of you told me the other day, it's either if you cut it, you can make it as big as you want. But since it's a print then cut, I'm going to have to make it a little smaller. So let's see how small I have to make this, because I want to get it as big as I can. I think I'm just going to go back up to the width, unlock it, and put in 6.75, and then put it by 9.25 and lock that, okay? And I think that will be really pretty on my canvas because, like I said, I did paint and I do want some of that canvas to show through, okay? So you can see it's a cut then print. We're going to make it right top corner. I have my Cricut set to custom. So we're going to hit continue. Okay, now I'm going to send it to the printer, and I have an Avery sticker sheet on here that you can use. And I load mine upside down, and I'll show you that in a minute. So we're going to hit send to printer. I'm going to leave the bleed on and hit print. Okay, then I'm going to choose the washi tape setting right here. And I'm going to default pressure. I'm going to leave that alone. So the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this really cute sticker to apply to a canvas. Okay, like I said, I just used a Crafter Square canvas that's 8 by 10. I've had it for a while, and I just painted it like I did when I made my little pictures for my craft room. And I just used different colors and one of these daubers to paint it, and I got that at, I think it was Walmart or Michael's a long time ago. And I just used first I put sparingly the Pink Parfait from Appel Barrel. Then I put on Cameo Pink from Appel Barrel and the Antique Parchment from Appel Barrel. And I just sort of swirled it on there and then brushed it to give it the look that I wanted. And I thought it would look really nice with this. So this is the picture that I printed out. This would be beautiful in a Dollar Tree frame or just any frame, and just put it in your craft room as a room decor, in your closet. You could do so much with this. But this is the Avery shipping label, like I told you. It's an 8 by 10, and I have to put mine in with this writing up so that it will print on this smooth side, okay? But you'll have to check how your printer is. But I have an HP. Okay, now I'm just going to put this right on here. And then I'm going to load this in here by putting it underneath these little feet. I'm going to insert it by the blinking arrow. And then we're going to cut by hitting the blinking C. And then this will cut. It will take a little while. Now it's going to read the registration marks. That's what it's doing right now. This black line around here to know where to cut. But I hope everyone is staying safe. Our area, we live, some of you may not know, we live in Northwest Florida, Pensacola. And our area, we're starting to get more cases of the virus. But we have a lot of sellout in grocery stores. They are restocking some things, but like the bread, the paper supplies, the canned food, things like that, they're just not getting restocked. So I hope everyone is staying home and staying safe. That's what we're doing. Unfortunately, my husband still has to work because they've deemed his job part of national security. So he still has to go out and work, and he works with like 2,000 other people. So that is very concerning and scary to us, but you have to do what you have to do. This is going to go ahead and cut. So as soon as it gets through, okay, it's through cutting. So now I'm going to eject it by hitting the blinking arrow. And what we're going to do is just peel this off like we would a sticker. Okay, just be real delicate with it. Because like I was telling you, you can clean it up a little more than what I did. And just take your time because it has a lot of little intricate areas. Okay. And this is what we have. Now this is what I was telling you. You can clean these edges up more around through here and you won't have all this. You could get it just to not cut all that, but I decided that I wanted it, okay? So now what we're going to do, and I had my standard grit mat. I don't know if I told you that. We're just going to get this and try to put this where we think that we want it and try to get it just sort of smooth it out. And I think this is adorable. Okay guys, this is what we have. That is so pretty. I'll let you see it up close. But I love how the background matches this. This is so feminine. This would be beautiful in a bedroom, in a craft room like I'm going to do, in a feminine closet, a makeup room, anything like that. And it's so easy to do. And if you don't want to put it on a canvas like this and paint it, you could just print it out using your Cricut and put it behind a picture frame, and that would be beautiful. And if you wanted, you could embellish this further. You could even put paint stir sticks around it like I've done in the past to make a border or to make a frame. It's totally up to you. So I'll go ahead and put in the description box the link so that you can get this image. It's free. All you have to do is just download it. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I had so much fun doing this. This was a great idea. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.